This is the kind of Maine property where the river, the acreage, and the history all come together in one setting. We're in rural Maine today, looking at a 28-acre property that offers a rare combination of usable land and direct frontage on the Medomak River. From the moment you arrive, the setting feels quiet and established. Open ground, mature trees, and a historic farmhouse that sits naturally within the landscape, rather than dominating it. The land here is really what defines the experience. With 28 acres, you've got enough space to actually work with, whether that means gardening, small-scale farming, livestock, recreation, or simply enjoying long stretches of privacy. It's not just acreage on paper. It's ground that can be used, explored, and shaped over time. Then you have the river frontage, which adds an entirely different layer to the property. The Medomak River brings water access, natural scenery, and a constant sense of movement and life to the edge of the land. It's the kind of feature that changes how you use the property throughout the seasons, whether it's sitting by the water, enjoying the view, or simply having that natural boundary running through your backyard environment. At the center of it all is the 1860 farmhouse. This is a true historic Maine home with character that reflects its age. It's not updated into something modern. It's a structure that still holds its original identity, offering someone the chance to restore, renovate, or reimagine it while keeping that old New England charm intact. The attached barn adds practical value to the property as well. It opens the door for storage, workshop space, livestock, or agricultural use. It's a flexible structure that supports a wide range of rural lifestyles, whether you're thinking homestead, hobby farm, or just functional extra space. What really stands out about this property is the potential. It's not trying to be something it's not. It's a raw, authentic Maine setting where land, water, and history are already in place. The next step is simply deciding how you want to use it.